And Dr. Gregory Watson is a man with an eye for finer detail.
I was walking through the bush many years ago and I came across a cicada, and I noticed that it didn't really reflect a lot of light on the wing. I took it back to our laboratory and imaged the wing, and we found these extremely small structures on there, smaller than the wavelength of visible light.
It was just like the lotus leaf surface, but with thinner, sharper looking bumps.
We took off various sections or height of these little bumps, and as we made them shorter and shorter, they became less effective at taking the light right through the wing.
It was clear the tiny pillars were responsible for the wing's anti-reflective properties. That was enough to get Greg out looking for cicada species wherever he could find them.
We started looking at potentially all the other functions that these structures may serve the insect. So when we were out in the field collecting the insects, we noticed when it was raining that the water drops hit the actual wings of the cicada and bounced off very quickly.
Just like the lotus leaf, cicada wings were super hydrophobic.
If we just place a droplet on the wing, it can't find a stable region to stay there, and it just rolls off automatically.
With high-speed cameras, Dr. Watson and collaborators captured the extraordinary Cicada Effect, where even without rain, droplets condense from the atmosphere and jump right off the wing.
And as the droplets merge, there's enough surface energy for them to propel off the surface and take away the dirt.
It's a handy trick for a humid, tropical environment like Townsville, where often it doesn't rain for weeks.
The wings automatically clean themselves, so there's obvious implications in there for man-made surfaces, how we can transfer this technology. Okay, so what we've managed to do is replicate the surface of the cicada wing with a polymer.
Is it water repellent?
It certainly is, and you can see here the water just rolls off the surface.
Fantastic, it's just like the real thing.
Yeah.
But that wasn't the half of it. The humble cicada had another, even more exciting secret left to uncover.
So it seemed to us that the cuticle and the rest of the insect body was quite susceptible to the elements, but the wings seemed to be more immune to this process.